Hi guys, so today's presentation will be on how to generate sequences using the nth term. Now, the nth term, we can generate a sequence using this. We can also find out any term number in the sequence using the nth term. So for example, I can find out the 50th term, the 100th term, okay? And n just means term number, okay? So n just means term number. Okay, so let's say I have an nth term, 6n minus 1. Okay, now what I want to do with this nth term, I can generate a sequence with this nth term. Now, to get the first term, all I have to do is substitute 1 into this expression. So 6, substitute in the 1, change the color so you can see I've substituted in the 1 instead of the n. Take away 1. Okay, so 6 times 1 is 6. Take away 1 gives me 5. Okay, so the first term of this sequence is 5. Now, to get the second term, I am going to substitute in 2. So 6 brackets, substitute in the 2. So as you can see, whatever I'm substituting in, I'm putting in brackets. So 6 times 2, take away 1. So 6 times 2 is 12, minus 1, that gives me 11. Okay, now the third term, I'm going to substitute in 3. So 6 times 3 minus 1. Six times 3 is 18. Take away 1 gives me 17. Okay, now as you can see, guys, there's a little pattern emerging. So from 5 to 11, I add 6. From 11 to 17, I add 6. So I'm guessing the next term, add 6. 17 add 6 will be 23. And then the fifth and final term will be 23 plus 6, 29. Okay, so the first 5 terms of this sequence will be 5, 11, 17, 23, 29. Okay, now let's say I wanted to find what the 50th term is. Okay, all I need to do is substitute 50 into that expression. So 6, substitute in 50. Take away 1. So 6 times 50 is 300. Take away 1 equals 299. Okay, so guys, take some notes and I will go through another example. So guys, just pause before you do the next example. Pause the video, try it yourself, and then you can check your answer when I go through it. Okay, so let's say I have another nth term. Let's say I have n take away 6. Okay, now for this one, to get the first term, now there's no number before n, no coefficient. So all I have to do, first term will be just 1. And then the rest of the expression, take away 6. So 1 take away 6 is negative 5. Okay, second term. Second term, substitute in 2 for n. So 2 minus 6. 2 take away 6 is negative 4. Third term, substitute in 3 for n. So 3 take away 6. take away 6. So 3 take away 6 is -3. Now, as you can see, there's a pattern emerging. So it's +1, +1, -3 plus 1 gives me -2, -2 plus 1 gives me -1. Now, if you notice, guys, this number here is always the coefficient. So here, as you can see, the number before n is 1. That's what that number is. So in the last one, the difference was 6 plus 6. And as you can see, the coefficient is +6 as well. So that's a little shortcut you can use once you get comfortable with this topic. Okay, so let's try another example. Sorry about that. So let's try another example. So let's say I have n squared minus 3. So for this one, the first term, I will have to do 1 squared, take away 3. So 1 squared is 1, take away 3, which gives me -2. Second term, I have to do 2 squared, take away 3. So that will give me 4, take away 3, which is +1. Third term, 3 squared, take away 3, which will be 9, take away 3, which is 6. Fourth term, substitute in 4. 4 squared, take away 3, gives me 16 minus 3, which is 13. And then the fifth and final term, I can do 5 squared, take away 3, which is 25, take away 3, which gives me 22. Okay? Let's say 10th term, 10 squared, take away 3. Okay, so here's my nth term. Instead of n, I've substituted in 10. So 10 squared is 100. Take away 3 gives me 97. Okay, so if I was to keep going up to 10, my 10th term would be 97. Okay, guys, so I hope this video helps you on how to generate sequences. If you've got any questions, just drop a comment or drop a comment on Teams. Okay.